Hello everyone, I am Husna
I'm Alpha
from MITC Ponnani. Today we are here to present an important topic that shapes our society and nation, government.
The government play a crucial role in maintaining law and order, provide essential services and ensure the welfare of its citizens. It is the backbone of any country, guidance its development and progress.
Yes, that's right. The government is responsible for making laws, implementing policies, and protecting our rights. It ensures that we live in a safe and organized society. Without a government, there would be chaos, no rules, and no one to take care of public services like education, healthcare, and infrastructure.
Today, we will discuss the structure, function and the significance of government, especially focus on Indian system of governance.
So, let's dive into our presentation and understand how governments function and why they are essential for a country's stability and growth.
A government is responsible for making and enforcing laws, ensure justice and governing the country effectively. To do this, it's divided into three main organs. Let's look at each one detail.
The first one is legislature. Its main role is to make laws. In India, we have a bicameral legislature at the national level, which includes the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. It is composed of ministers of parliament who are directly elected by the people of India.
On the other hand, the Rajya Sabha. It's the upper house of parliament. Its members are not directly elected by the people but are chosen by the members of legislative assemblies of various states.
Then, at the state level, we have state legislatures. These bodies create, amend, and repeal laws according to the needs of
Second branch is executive. It is responsible for implementing the laws made by the legislature. The executive includes both political leaders such as the Prime Minister and Chief Minister and permanent officials like IAS and IPS officers who help in administration.
The third branch is the judiciary. It ensures justice by interpreting laws and resolving disputes. In India, the judiciary is independent, meaning it does not take orders from the government. The Supreme Court is the highest court in India, followed by high courts in each state and lower court at the district level. Why is it important to have three separate branches?
It prevents any one branch from becoming too powerful. This is called separation of power. For example, if the executive tries to misuse the power, the judiciary can stop it. This system helps maintaining democracy and fairness in the governance.
So, we are going to conclude our session. We learned about the three branches of government play different but equally important roles. The legislature makes laws, the executive implements them, and the judiciary ensures justice. They work together to maintain peace and democracy.
We learned about the three branches of government, their roles and why separation of power is important. I hope you now understand how those organs work together to ensure good governance. So, we will conclude our section. Thank you for listening.